All right, let's dive right into this explainer. If you've ever felt like you're just hitting a brick wall with your AI coding assistant, or, you're just totally exhausted from constantly coaxing it through complex tasks step by step, well, we found something really cool. Today, we're looking at 9 entirely free skills that act exactly like cheat codes to instantly level up your AI. To keep things structured, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with AI cheat codes themselves, then we'll move into virtual engineering and memory, followed by writing and real-time research. After that, we've got some awesome design and animation showdowns, and finally, we'll wrap up with universal platform compatibility. Let's get into it.
Okay, part 1, the AI cheat codes, upgrading your AI's baseline capabilities.
So, let me ask you this. Are you tired of starting your AI prompts from scratch every single time? I mean, really think about your daily workflow. Constantly rewriting the exact same instructions just to get your AI to behave is incredibly inefficient. Honestly, it completely defeats the whole purpose of having an automated assistant in the first place. It's literally like having an intern who magically forgets everything you just told them 10 minutes into a conversation. Well, the brilliant solution to this comes down to skills and plugins. Think of these as reusable instruction files that give your AI agent a repeatable, reliable behavior. So instead of starting from scratch every single time, these skills act as permanent memory upgrades. You just load the skill in once, and bam! The AI just knows how to do it from then on. It is an absolute paradigm shift. Today, we're breaking down 9 of the absolute best skills available right now. We'll look at them in action, and honestly, the most surprising part we discovered, every single one of them is completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. That is a permanent, massive upgrade to your workflow for absolutely zero cost. Moving right along to part 2, virtual engineering and memory. These are the tools for code-based mastery and heavy lifting. Our very first tool here is called GStack, and it essentially turns your Claude Code into a full virtual engineering team. Seriously, instead of an AI just acting like a lone junior developer, spitting out isolated snippets of code, GStack elevates it. It allows your AI to coordinate and manage the heavy lifting of your engineering projects as one cohesive unit. It's like instantly hiring an entire dev team. But, a virtual team desperately needs proper memory to actually function. And that's exactly where our next tool, Graphify, comes into play. It actively maps out your entire codebase into a queryable memory graph, meaning your agent actually remembers how all your files and functions link together. So, okay, now you have a manager and a brain, but what about the blueprint? To tie the whole shebang together, we have a tool called Understand Anything. You can throw a massive, completely unfamiliar codebase at your AI, and this skill generates an instant visual onboarding map. So you've got your team, your memory, and your map. All sorted. All right, part 3, writing and real-time research. We're talking about giving your AI a human voice and current data. We found 2 major AI pain points that have exact 100% free solutions. First up is that robotic writing, full of those obvious AI tells. You know exactly what I mean. The messages that always predictably start with, delve into the realm of. Well, a tool brilliantly named StopSlop strips those tells right out of the text so it actually sounds like a real human wrote it. Second, AI models notoriously suffer from outdated training data. A tool called Last 30 Days fixes this right up by pulling real-time sentiment straight from places like Reddit, X, and YouTube. It essentially grounds your AI in what real people are saying today, not what they were saying 2 years ago. Next up is part 4, design and animation showdowns. It's time to put some creative AI skills head-to-head. For UI and aesthetics, we've got a direct showdown. Over in one corner, we have Anthropic's official front-end design skill, and in the other corner, we have the community-driven taste skill. Both of these tools aim to elevate the visual capabilities of your AI, making sure the coded outputs actually looks good and follows modern design principles right out of the gate. It's genuinely fascinating to see an official developer-made tool go toe-to-toe with a community-built aesthetic cheat code. And for motion graphics, we're looking at a battle between Remotion and Hyperframes. Both of these are racing to see which plugin generates the absolute best animations from just a single text prompt. I mean, just think about the sheer efficiency here. You just type out what you want to see moving, and these tools do all the complex math and coding to actually animate it for you. It's a total game changer for how you add dynamic elements to your projects. Finally, part 5, universal platform compatibility. Running these cheat codes anywhere. Now, what is incredibly versatile about all these skills we've talked about is that they work universally across the major platforms. Whether your daily driver is Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, OpenClaw, Hermes, VS Code, or GitHub Copilot, you don't have to overhaul your entire dev environment to take advantage of these upgrades. They just seamlessly adapt to exactly where you already prefer to do your work. So, with these 9 free cheat codes ready to be installed across practically any platform, the only question left is, what custom behavior will you program your AI to learn first? Are you going to immediately build out your virtual engineering team with GStack and Graphify? Or maybe you're going to focus on stripping out that robotic writing with stop slop right away? The power to permanently upgrade your AI's memory is entirely in your hands. Thanks for joining me for this explainer. Now go out there and start experimenting.